Hi friends, this video shows how to fix network and internet problems. Open this settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then tap on more settings, then go down, then tap on backup and reset, then tap on reset network settings. Then check this message. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So it will delete Wi-Fi settings. For example, it will delete hotspot and it restore default Wi-Fi settings. It also deletes mobile data. For example, APN settings. It delete all existing APNs, then create a new working APN. So that way we can fix most of the network and internet related problems. So let me tap on this reset settings, then enter screen lock password, then tap on reset settings. Network settings has been reset. Done. So this way we can reset network settings and fix network and internet related issues. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.